Hello and welcome to this Bosch Thermal Technology presentation on the Greensource CDI SM Revision B Vertical and Counterflow Package Water-to-Air Heat Pump. In this focus, we will be touching on benefits, application, installation, features, and options. Our SM Rev B model has been redesigned with a focus on serviceability, reliability, high efficiency, and quietness. The SM Rev B model has several key selling and installation features and benefits, including being equipped with Bosch's commitment to creative design and innovation, or CDI. The SMB is Energy Star recognized as most efficient with best-in-class performance. The unit offers up to 32 ER part-load cooling performance and up to 22 ER full-load cooling performance. Additionally, the SM Rev B offers up to a 4.7 COP at part-load heating performance and up to a 4.4 COP at full-load heating performance. Finally, one of the best benefits offered with the Bosch SMB unit is the 10-year limited parts and labor warranty. And if the installing contractor is a member of our accredited Bosch Contractor Program, or ABC, the customer will receive an additional year of warranty coverage if the installation is registered with Bosch. The SM Rev B also has additional key selling and installation features and benefits, including being fully customizable to meet individual installation needs with a multi-positional configuration. Additionally, we offer a highly efficient two-stage operation with a scroll compressor technology. The machine has a constant CFM variable speed high efficiency ECM blower and 10-plated copper tubing evaporator coil with high-tech polymer-coated aluminum fins, referred to as dual guard, which increases the durability and formwork corrosion resistance. Finally, the SM Rev B is extended range capable, or commonly referred to as geothermal ready. Now let's focus on application and installation of the SM Rev B unit. This particular model can be configured in a vertical application or in a counterflow application if ductwork is below the unit. In the vertical situation, the installation will require that the machine be located in an area allowing easy removal of filters and access panels, allowing room for service and maintenance, allowing room for fluid, electrical, and duct connections. All machines have service clearance criteria, which is commonly dictated by local codes and ordinances. However, Bosch will provide recommendations for service clearance in all of the available installation, operation, and maintenance manuals provided with the unit. For the vertical unit, it is available in left-hand and right-hand return air configurations. For the counterflow application, the unit will still need to be located in an indoor area that is not subject to freezing, that allows for easy removal of filters and access panels, has room for service and maintenance, allows for all fluid, electrical, and duct connections, and also has adequate service clearance. Again, Bosch will provide an installation, operation, maintenance manual, which will have recommendations for service clearance in it with each unit. The counterflow application has a dedicated downflow configuration. It is also available in left-hand and right-hand return air configurations. Now let's look at some of the standard system components that come with the SM Rev B model. Here we see the basic unit layout with standard feature locations. We see that this one shows the return air inlet and a filter rack which could hold up to a 2-inch MERV8 filter. On the top of the unit is where the discharge air opening would be. In a counterflow application, it would be reversed and on the bottom. This unit is made with white pre-painted sheet metal. Additionally, it has a constant CFM variable speed blower. The condensate drain is located on the lower left. The heat recovery package switch, if so installed, added as an option, is located on the lower right. The electrical box or E-box is in the lower compartment of the unit in this upflow application. It does move so that it provides serviceability to internal components. On the lower left will be the water connections to provide hookups for all the water and fluid that the unit needs to operate. The SM-REV-V has a 10-plated evaporator air coil. This provides 10-plated copper tubing as well as a high-tech polymer-coated aluminum fins. This is referred to again as dual guard and increases the durability and formwork corrosion resistance of the unit. Additionally, beneath each evaporator air coil will be a stainless steel drain pan. This drain pan is relatively easy to clean and will last the lifetime of the unit and resist corrosion and cracking that could occur, offering maximum corrosion resistance. Inside this pan will be an internal condensate overflow switch. The sensor will detect water backing up inside the pan. It is connected to the unit protection module or control board to the condensate terminal and will alert the unit to stop the compressor if the water backs up and touches the switch. All SM-REV-Vs, as standard, will have an oversized copper water-to-refrigerant coaxial coil. This coil will be wrapped with insulation. It has a low-pressure flow design, and it is insulated to prevent condensation. We commonly refer to this wrapping as making the unit geothermal ready. Inside the unit, you will have an Ultratech 2-stage scroll compressor. This particular compressor is a brand called Copeland, and this particular compressor has the ability to run at 67% in first stage or Y1 in heating or cooling, and at 100% in second stage or Y2 in heating or cooling. This is a very efficient compressor. Below the compressor will be a floating compressor base pan. This pan is slightly larger than the compressor base and isolates the compressor from the cabinet, therefore preventing vibration transmission. The cabinet itself will have closed-cell fiber-free insulation. This insulation improves indoor air quality and allows us to meet less than a 2% air leakage rate per the ASHRAE Standard 193. With these combined features of closed-cell fiber-free insulation and a floating base pan, the SM-REV-V has a sound decibel rating as low as 52. What noise is comparable to a 52 decibel? A refrigerator is comparable. The unit will come with a 2-inch air filter rack with a MERV8 filter. It accepts up to any 2-inch filter, and the filter will be shipped with the machine. The control board for the REV-V model is a unit protection model, or we refer to it as a UPM. This is a high-tech control board and controls the compressor operation and monitors the safety controls. The top left, it will have a UPM board power indicator light. It also has board status indicators because it is self-diagnostic for easy repair, and a status indicator light to help the contractor or technician in the field. On the lower left, it will have UPM board settings that refer to lockout, reset, alarm, and test bypass. This particular board features an alarm output and a short cycling feature, a 5-minute delay, random unit start feature, and brownout or low voltage protection. The blower, as mentioned in the SM-Rev-V, is a variable speed electric-commutated constant CFM blower. This blower is referred to in the industry as an EON. It is a brushless DC 3-phase motor with a permanent magnet rotor. It adjusts frequency, thereby controlling revolutions per minute, and holds constant CFM or airflow at approximately 400 CFM per ton of cooling. It does require an additional factory-installed motor control interface board. That motor control interface board will be factory installed and provides thermostat input status indication. It also has a red light on the center of it that is a CFM indicator light. Each blink of that light, an LED light, represents approximately 100 CFM of air delivery while the machine is running. The top right is the motor harness plug connector. Below that are motor control interface board factory default settings. These will be used and set by the installer at the installation. Below that is the dehumidification method selector. At the bottom will be the thermostat contact inputs connector. This particular blower has a cool to dehumidify circuit built into it. What this means is that available with the SMB, if this particular unit is coupled with a thermostat that has humidity-enabled control, and the relative humidity is above a preset value, but the sensible load is met, the unit will actually stop the call from the sensible call, but continue to run and dehumidify and cooling with up to a 40% reduction in CFM with no sensible call required. This helps in dehumidifying the air. These units have freeze protection on the coaxial coils, which provides either 26 degrees or 15-degree coaxial coil protection. The default freeze limit trip is set at 26 degrees, but can be changed to 15 degrees by the installer by cutting a resistor on the board. Additionally, the SMB has an evaporator air coil freeze protector. This provides 26-degree air coil freeze protection, which would occur with low refrigerant charge or airflow issues. Other standard features in the SM-Rev-V model include a reversing valve that is energized and cooling. Therefore, the thermostat will require the O circuit. The machine has a thermostatic expansion valve or TXV metering device, as well as a bi-flow reversible liquid line dryer. This dryer comes with internal check valves that allow refrigerant flow in either direction without the risk of any washback to the compressor. Other features will include pressure switches, a high pressure switch and a low pressure switch, service connectors within the unit, one for suction and one for liquid, as well as a 75 VA transformer. Another standard feature will be the E-box, which is movable and can be rotated out to access internal components of the unit. Now let's look at the optional components that can be ordered with the Rev-V model. These will include the Comfort Alert diagnostic device that detects causes of electrical and system-related failures without any sensors. The unit can have a Smart Start kit or Soft Start Assist that reduces starting current and eliminates or reduces greatly light flicker that could occur during compressor starts. The unit also can be provided with an energy management switch or EMS board relay that enables the heat pump control with a 24-volt signal from an external source. Another optional feature will be the heat recovery package or HRP. This device is an extra copper double-wall vented water to refrigerant heat exchanger in a U shape, shown at the top of the photo. And it also has a hot water circulating pump equipped with it to assist in heating domestic water with bypass heat off the compressor. This particular feature has an on-off overload protection. It has a hot water temperature limit switch and is available in single-phase power only. The SM Rev V can have a pump valve relay, which energizes a supply pump or a solenoid valve when there is a call for compressor operation. This device may be used with Bosch flow centers for a geothermal application. The last optional feature would be electric heaters used for supplementary or emergency heat. We offer 5, 10, 15, and 20 kW heater sizes. These heaters are internal factory installed packages. They are equipped with primary thermal overload protection, contactor and branch circuit protection, available only in 230 volt single phase 60 Hz power. If they do not meet the needs, we also have duct mounting electrical field installed heaters available as well. Now let's look at a quick summary. The Greensource CDI Series SM Rev V unit is Bosch's high-efficiency two-stage residential geothermal heat pump. It is available in the SM models from 2 to 6 tons capacity. It is performance certified to the American Heating and Refrigeration Institute AHRI ISO standard 13256-1. It is our most efficient unit, or simply smart. It provides the best combination of performance and efficiency available today. This concludes this presentation on the SM Rev V unit. Please provide any questions to Bosch, and we will provide the answers in a timely manner. Thanks for your time and attention.